Hello everyone, welcome to the new episode of Tech Facts and I'll be presenting some very interesting tech news. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon as whenever I post a video, you get the notification without fail. So, let's start. Realme today revealed the launch date of its upcoming smartphones. The Chinese phone maker announced that XN series smartphones will be unveiled in China on September 1 at 2 pm local time. The lineup will come with 5G support and a 120Hz AMOLED screen. The poster shared by Realme includes a render of smartphone with slim bezels, but promotional graphics are misleading at some times. The poster also has a Chinese text that translates to thin and light flash flagship charging flagships and meantime meaning the X7 series may come up with the flagship chipset and hopefully 125-watt ultra-dart charging. I think the price is gonna be about 30,000. So what do you feel about it? Tell me in the comment section below. Google Maps get more detail in a colorful update. Here is a small brief that lakes, rivers and oceans are gonna be blue, beaches and deserts are gonna be tan and lush areas are going to be green. And soon we will be able to see more accurate maps of streets, sidewalks and pedestrian islands to a more accurate scale. Google plans to begin rolling out more detailed version of maps of London, New York and San Francisco in the coming weeks with the intention to expand to more cities over time. So let's see when the number of cities of India get displayed very nicely in the Google Maps. Here are some images of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 which got leaked in the new hands-on video released by some leaker. We can see flex mode in action in the split camera app which has the menus and toggles on the bottom half while the top is occupied solely by the viewfinder. We also get several glimpses of the 6.2-inch outside display as well as the toggles for the 120Hz display mode. So now let's see at what price the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G gets launched globally. Honor has introduced Magic Watch 2 back in late 2019 and the brand is already working on the updated version. The new wearable will be called the Honor Watch GS Pro and will be for the mountain lovers according to the official brand. So let's see when does Honor release the upcoming Watch GS Pro globally. The glass panels that will cover the rear cameras on the Huawei Mate 40 and the Mate 40 Pro have leaked and they show a curious design. The Mate 30s from the last year featured a round camera island and that design element is preserved to some extent on the 40s. Both panels have a 3D label presumably indicating a TOF sensor. Earlier this year we heard that the Huawei Mate 40 series will feature a 108MP main camera behind a free-form 9p lens and much improved optics. The periscope of the Pro model is expected to offer 5x optical and 55x digital zoom. So are you all interested for this Huawei Mate 40 series? Tell me in the comment section below. Motorola is expected to introduce the two new mid-ranges soon with the Moto E7 Plus and the Moto G9 Plus. We have seen several leaks for the both phones including detailed specs and live images, but today we have been provided with the images of both Moto handsets revealing their design and color options. The Moto E7 Plus is built around a water drop notch screen and will be powered by a 5000 mAh battery with 10-watt charging. Under the hood we are expecting the Snapdragon 460 chipset alongside 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. We can also spot a rear mounted fingerprint scanner as well as a dual camera setup housed in a square cutout above. The main sensor is expected to be 48MP while the secondary one is still shrouded in mystery. The G9 Plus on the other hand comes with a punch hole display with a cutout in the top left corner. Around the back we will see a larger rectangular cutout with the 4 sensors headlined by the 64MP main shooter. The right hand side houses a fingerprint sensor and the volume rocker while the Google's Assistant button is located on the left. We also know that the phone will come with a 4GB RAM and 128GB storage and a 4700 mAh battery with 30W of charging. So let's see at what price the Motorola E7 Plus and Motorola G9 Plus gets launched in India. Huawei has been rumored to bring an inward folding smartphone with UTG glass and stylus for some time. Now we have a patent from CNIPA, which gives us a look at the possible Mate X2 through several renders that reveal an interesting sub-display strip next to the main panel as well as the stylus. The pattern refers to it as a connected sub-display which will bring contextual menus and additional app information. It will also house the two front-facing selfie cams, while the back of the phone comes with an additional 4 camera modules. It looks like the small display panel will be raised from the main screen while the bottom will house the stylus. So let's see what happens to the future of Huawei foldable phone in the upcoming days. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.